Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The irregularity in the weather. And,
that is due to sinful life.
So
Irregularity.
if we increase the Krishna consciousness movement,
Then it will be regular. It is nature's punishment. You may not care what is sinful life, but that is recorded. That is foolishness. Don't care for God, don't care for what is going to happen. That is foolishness. People, lower planetary system, they are like that. In this planet also, and most Western countries, there are many places, don't care for anything. What is sinful life, what is going to happen, let us enjoy, that's all. This is the let us enjoy, that's all. Materialistic point of view is like, they do not know that we are eternal and we are responsible for our activities. That is knowledge. But they have no knowledge. They simply want to enjoy. They do not care for death also. Simply sense gratification. That's all. This is called dhanam. Dhanam life. The scientists explain for so many varieties. They accept there are varieties. Why there are so many varieties of life?
they're simply approximating. They said from recent discoveries and examination of fossils and like this.
That's all right.
The calculation.
Why there are varieties?
They say originally there was just a cell, and by adaptation, in some circumstances, one kind would live and another would die. So all these varieties adapted to different conditions.
Who adapted this?
Well, they just
Who managed?
accidentally.
That is nonsense. Nothing happens accidentally. That is nonsense. There must be some arrangement. What is happening is accidentally.
Well, they say
Why you are taking care of the trees? So many things. Nothing is done accidentally. You do not see the cause. If accidentally one can become rich, why you are struggling so hard to become rich? Why there motor cars are flying all day and night here and there? Why you are trying? Let accidentally money come. And sit down. Why do they not do that? If accident is there, let accident come and I become rich man. Why do they try? Why they go to the college? Let accidentally become MA, PhD. This is all rascal time. Simply, poor thought. Poor thought. If things happen accidentally, why you are trying? What is the answer?
Well, we try, but we have to try, but we can't tell what's going to happen. So it's happening accidentally when we try. Just like in school, we have to try, but maybe we'll become promoted.
Then you should not endeavor for anything. Nothing happens accidentally.
Then could not we say that by man's activity then things are happening? I had one letter from a person I used to know. And
activity plus sanction of God. Two things. There are 5 causes. The activity, the place, the proportion of energy, and ultimately sanctioned by God. Then things happen. Otherwise, there is no question of accident.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.